My name is Mary, and I have been involved in trading for quite a while to share my knowledge with someone else. That's why I created my YouTube channel. Today, I will conduct several successful trades. If you like it, join my YouTube and Telegram channel, where I provide accurate entry signals. Well, let's analyze the markets and look for opportunities to make profits in binary options trading. First, let's start with Australian dollar and Japanese yen currency pair. We can see a specific level of resistance forming on the chart. There is also a support level at the bottom, and the triangle pattern is starting to form. However, the formation is not yet complete, so let's move on and search for something else. USD and Canadian dollar currency pair doesn't offer anything interesting opportunities at the moment, but there is an intriguing situation on the British pound and USD currency pair. The price has reached a significant support level. I think it's a good idea to open this pair in pocket option just in case. I believe the price will react to this level, and based on that reaction, I will either enter a trade for an upward movement or a downward movement. We should observe the price for a while. If there is a downward breakout now, I will enter a trade for a downward movement. The price has already approached the support level. However, if we witness a strong upward reaction from this level, then I will enter a trade for an upward movement accordingly. But currently at this level, a breakdown is occurring and a large red candle is forming. So I will enter a trade for a downward movement. It's worth noting that the descending channel in which the price is trading. Currently, it is roughly in the middle of this channel. This is favorable as the price still has room to fall, allowing me to feel confident about the trade. And there is another excellent support level at the bottom. It formed quite a while ago, and I believe it is a very strong and magnetic level. It should attract the price towards it. That's the target of the current downward movement. In an ideal scenario, the price should drop to this red line. And now, as I predicted, the price has broken the support level and started to fall. Let's wait for the trade to conclude. Alright, the trade will close in a few seconds. Although this trade made me a profit, it was a nerve-wracking one as the price bounced off the support zone and briefly went below the level at which I entered the trade. But profit is profit. Now let's search for next opportunities. Well, let's return to my beloved charts, this time in black color. I'll try to find a few more trades. On the Australian dollar and Japanese yen currency pair, the triangle formation is still ongoing. Nothing new here. Great British pound and USD, the price has reached the support zone, and there has been a minor reaction. Euro and British pound. Here it gets interesting. Let's check the 15 seconds start on pocket option. The situation is intriguing, but there is no setup for a confident entry into a trade at the moment. But just in case, let's prepare a trade. A 3-minute expiration, and perhaps I'll enter a trade on this currency pair. I'll go for a downward movement if the support level from which the price is currently attempting to rebound is broken with a strong candle. If that happens, I'll enter a trade for a downward movement. To make sure I don't miss it, I'll set an alert for when the desired price is reached. If the price breaks the support level, I'll receive a notification and be able to enter the trade quickly. Let's continue observing. Euro and Japanese yen. Here the price is rising. It has also reached a resistance zone, but I don't see any clear entry signals yet. USD and Japanese yen. The chart shows identical highs, and interestingly, Euro and Great British Pound is slowly breaking the support level. Let's observe a bit longer and decide what to do. If the price suddenly starts to decline, I'll enter a trade for a downward movement. That's exactly what's happening, so I'm opening a trade for $300 with a 3-minute expiration. Oh, there is a notification that the price has broken the support. I entered the trade just in time. Let's take a look at some other charts. For example, the situation on the USD and Japanese yen currency pair while our trade is closing. Here the price is attempting to break the resistance level. Oh, here's another notification regarding the USD and Canadian dollar pair. The price has also broken the support level. This is a very good signal because if there is a breakout on the USD and CAD pair, then perhaps Euro and Great British Pound currency pair will correlate with it in the near future. Unfortunately, I won't be able to enter a trade on USD and CAD pair as it is currently unavailable on Pocket Option. However, there is plenty of potential for downward movement here. A clear flag pattern has formed on the chart. What a pity that this currency pair is currently unavailable for trading and I won't be able to enter a trade for a downward movement. Well, let's wait for the trade on the Euro and Great British Pound currency pair to close. Alright, just a few seconds left and the trade is closing with a confident profit. Excellent result today. Now I can start searching for the third trade. So I took a short break and during that time the market has refreshed a bit. Now it will be easier to find trading opportunities. Currently on the USD and Japanese yen pair, an interesting situation has emerged. I will switch to Pocket Option right away and prepare for the pair just in case. On this pair, the price suddenly and sharply increased. The price occurred in a single 15-second candle. I will enter a trade here for $300 for a duration of 5 minutes on an upward movement. It's important to go for an upward movement because the price has broken a strong resistance level marked by a red line. Additionally, the price is within an ascending channel, therefore I expect that after breaking this level, the price will go higher and may form new highs within the boundaries of the channel. That's why we entered the trade for an upward movement here. However, there is a possibility that a triple touch pattern has formed here and the price will undergo a prolonged correction. In such case, it's worth opening an offset trade, but for that I need to analyze the market and determine the best entry point for such a trade. In general, offset trades help recover losses and even generate some profit if the main trade closes in a loss. Meanwhile, I'll check the USD and CAD currency pair. I wanted to enter a trade on this pair earlier, but it wasn't available for trading on Pocket Option at the time. But now I entered the trade for 5 minutes with $600 on an upward movement. Meanwhile, my first trade is showing a loss. Perhaps the breakout of the resistance level was a freak out and the price won't form new highs. It might be forming a triple touch pattern, after which a prolonged correction will occur, followed by potential rise. Well, I rushed a bit with the purchase, so I opened a second offset trade for $600. Offset trades can be opened on other currency pairs as well, if you understand that the negative situation on the pair where you opened the first trade will persist for a long time. Overall, we can forget about the first trade and wait for the conclusion on USD and CAD. There are a few seconds left until the trade is closed, and it's closing with a confident profit. I entered the trade on an upward trend near the bottom and I made a good profit. In total, there were 4 trades today and 3 of them were profitable. Having a 75% success rate in day trading is a good indicator. I appreciate your time and interest in watching the video. If you found it enjoyable, I would greatly appreciate your support by giving it a thumbs up. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel to stay informed about the future content. By becoming a part of our community, we can build a friendship and have more discussions. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.